What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we buy a power plant for the red Terminator. Y'all are gonna hate me for this one. What's going on, guys? Coming at you from the truck. We are headed to Lake City, Florida to get a new motor for the Terminator, the red vert. Funds are tight, so we're taking a little bit of a corner cut on this one. It'll be a little bit of a surprise, but y'all see it. I'm sure y'all like it, and I'm sure a lot of people are gonna hate me actually, but we're gonna find that out. So yeah. So obviously, as you guys may or may not be able to tell, this is not a Terminator engine, 0304 Cobra motor. This is a, you ready for this one? This is a 2005 Lincoln Aviator engine. It's a 4-valve 4.6, just like your Mach 1 or 01 Cobras, stock internals. It actually has an aluminum block, which is a plus. And also these motors are, well, if you know where to look, really cheap. It's kind of like the same idea of like the Crown Vic motors in the 2-valve Mustangs, which I've done multiple times. So, you know, I'm sticking to my roots. So as you guys can see with this engine, it's completely dressed. It's got all your bells and whistles that you would need for a 2005 Aviator. We need none of it. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be stripping it down, getting it ready to install the 0304 Cobra stuff I have for it, because obviously, even though we're putting this Aviator engine in the car, it'll still be dressed with, you know, Eaton supercharger and all that. So guys, got this this new 4-valve here, and we brought it all the way home from Lake City. Nice little junkyard out there, have one in stock for a decent price, so we brought it home. And before we really dig in deep, we're gonna go ahead and take this valve cover off real quick, just to verify that everything looks clean and to our standards. So.
That's probably been on there a long time.
What,
so
the coils hold it in?
They shouldn't, but I'd go ahead and pull them out.
No, they're already.
Yeah, that was easy.
All right, let's hope for the best.
The moment of truth.
We'll see.
I mean, it's got some miles on it and everything, but it all looks good to me.
This motor was advertised as 138,000 miles. I'm not surprised with anything under here, so no like bad scoring, nothing abnormal on the cams.
Yeah, that's pretty cruddy in there, but
It's not terrible.
But the sludge isn't in the engine, and that's what you want to see.
Excuse me.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you get me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low.